So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll go how to connect Apple Pay checkout to Shopify store. So now let's begin. Here, we need to make sure that we have a Shopify store and a Facebook account. And the first thing we need to do is open up our web browser and search for Meta. Click on their official website. After that, go to Shopify. Now go to app section and search for Shopify search and discovery. Click and install it. Now here, search for Meta instead of Facebook and click on Facebook and Instagram. Click on install and go back to the home page. Click the install button to install Facebook and Instagram. Now, click on the Facebook and Instagram in the application section at the left side of the screen. Click on get started and here you will see account button. Now, just complete the setup and that's how to connect Shopify store to Facebook Shop. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.